How to do a dead hang. 1. Find a pull-up bar. Use a sturdy bar that can hold your weight safely. 2. Grip the bar. Use an overhand grip, palms facing away from you. Hands should be shoulder width apart or slightly wider. 3. Lift your feet off the ground. Either step off a platform or jump slightly to hang freely. Keep your arms straight. Don't bend the elbows. 4. Engage your core. Slightly tighten your core and glutes to keep the body stable. Avoid swinging. 5. Keep your shoulders active. You can either passive hang, shoulders relaxed and rising toward your ears. Active hang. Pull your shoulder blades down and back, safer for beginners. 6. Start with hang for 20 seconds. Then gradually build up to 30-60 plus seconds. 7. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. Keep steady breathing through the movement. Benefits of the dead hang. 1. Improves grip strength. One of the fastest ways to increase hand, finger, and forearm strength. 2. Decompresses the spine. Hanging creates gentle traction that helps reduce pressure on the spine and may relieve lower back tightness. 3. Strengthens shoulders. Improves shoulder stability and activates the small stabilizer muscles. 4. Improves shoulder mobility. Helps open tight shoulders and increases overhead flexibility. 5. Increase forearm endurance. Useful for pull-ups, climbing, lifting, and any activity requiring a strong grip. 6. Improves posture. Hanging stretches the chest and lats, helping balance out tight muscles that cause slouching. 7. Can help reduce pain. Some people experience relief in shoulder tightness, upper back stiffness, grip fatigue. Safety reminder, if you have shoulder injuries, start with an active hang in shorter times. Stop if you feel sharp pain. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.